Welcome to Business Intelligence. Business intelligence, or BI, is the process of transforming raw data into actionable insights that help organizations make better business decisions. Think of it as converting numbers and information into meaningful patterns that guide strategy and action. In today's data-driven world, organizations collect massive amounts of information from sales transactions, customer interactions, website visits, and internal operations. The challenge is making sense of all this data. Business intelligence solves this problem by collecting, analyzing, and presenting information in a way that decision makers can understand and act upon. Business intelligence requires data from many different places. Structured data sources include databases like SQL and Oracle, data warehouses that store organized business information, spreadsheets like Excel, and enterprise systems such as customer relationship management or ERP software. These sources provide well-organized, easy-to-process data. But organizations also have unstructured data, which is less organized. This includes social media posts and comments, text documents and emails, web content from websites, and real-time streaming data from sensors or applications. Successful business intelligence combines both structured and unstructured data to give a complete picture of your business. The business intelligence journey follows a clear process. First, we collect data from various sources across the organization. Second, we prepare the data by cleaning it, fixing errors, and organizing it properly. This preparation step is crucial because poor quality data leads to poor decisions. Third, we store the processed data in a central location like a data warehouse. Fourth, we analyze the data using statistical methods to find patterns and insights. Fifth, we visualize these insights through charts, graphs, and dashboards that are easy to understand. Finally, we use these visualizations to make informed business decisions. This entire pipeline, from collection to decision-making, is supported by ETL processes, which stands for extract, transform, and load, along with data quality checks and analytics. Many platforms exist to help create business intelligence dashboards and reports. Tableau is known for advanced data visualization capabilities and interactive dashboards. Microsoft's Power BI integrates with Windows and Office products and provides real-time data integration. Qlik Sense offers associative analytics that helps discover patterns automatically. Looker provides data exploration and embedded analytics for businesses. Domo delivers cloud-based intelligence with mobile-friendly dashboards. Google Data Studio offers a free web-based option for quick reporting and analysis. Each tool has different strengths, but they all share the goal of converting data into visual stories that people can understand and use to drive decisions. Organizations face real obstacles when implementing business intelligence. Data integration is challenging because companies must combine information from different systems that may use different formats. Data quality remains a constant concern because incomplete or inaccurate data leads to wrong conclusions. Getting employees to adopt and use new BI tools requires training and change management. The initial costs are significant, including software licenses, infrastructure, and training programs. Many organizations lack clear strategies or business objectives for their BI initiatives. Data security and privacy are critical considerations when handling sensitive corporate information. As data grows, systems must scale to handle larger volumes without slowing down. Finally, many organizations have data silos, where departments keep information isolated rather than sharing it company-wide. Successful business intelligence implementation requires strategic thinking. First, align your BI efforts with clear business goals and key performance indicators. Secure buy-in from leadership and involve departments early in the process. Prioritize data quality by ensuring accuracy, completeness, and consistency before analysis. Invest in comprehensive user training and continuous support so people can effectively use BI tools. Take a phased approach, implementing in stages and celebrating quick wins to build momentum. Finally, establish strong data governance by creating clear security policies, access controls, and compliance protocols. These practices build a strong foundation for BI success and ensure that your organization gains maximum value from its data investments. Business intelligence is evolving rapidly with emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence and machine learning integration enables augmented analytics where systems automatically suggest insights. Cloud-based BI solutions allow teams to access dashboards and reports from anywhere, on any device. Natural language processing allows people to ask questions conversationally or use voice commands instead of learning complex query languages. Real-time analytics provide instant insights rather than waiting for end-of-month reports, enabling faster decision-making. Self-service BI empowers non-technical business users to create their own insights independently. Embedded analytics integrate BI capabilities directly into existing business applications. These trends are making business intelligence more accessible, faster, and more intelligent than ever before. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are transforming business intelligence capabilities. Predictive analytics uses AI to forecast future trends, customer behavior, and market dynamics based on historical data patterns. This includes sales forecasting, trend detection, and risk assessment to help organizations prepare for what's coming. Augmented analytics automates much of the analysis work, making insights available to all business users regardless of technical skill. Pattern recognition identifies hidden relationships in data automatically. Natural language processing allows users to ask questions in plain English or use voice commands. This combination of AI and ML democratizes business intelligence by making advanced analysis accessible to everyone in the organization, not just technical specialists. Overcoming business intelligence challenges requires practical solutions and strategies. Develop a clear business strategy by defining objectives, aligning with business goals, and establishing a detailed roadmap. Create an executive steering committee to ensure leadership support. For data integration, invest in ETL tools, create a centralized data warehouse, and establish comprehensive data governance. Implement quality assurance by cleansing data, validating accuracy, and continuously monitoring data quality. Deploy data profiling tools to identify issues early. For user adoption, provide training programs, create user-friendly interfaces, and build internal data communities. Schedule regular workshops and training sessions. Strong execution of these strategies helps organizations overcome common BI implementation obstacles and achieve successful deployments. Implementing business intelligence is a journey that unfolds in stages. In years 1 to 2, focus on foundation building. Establish data governance policies, integrate data sources, and create a clean, centralized data infrastructure. This foundation is essential and takes priority. In years 2 to 3, scale and democratize BI by deploying self-service tools, training users across departments, and expanding analytics throughout the organization. Finally, in years 3 and beyond, add intelligence and automation. Integrate AI and machine learning for predictive insights, enable natural language queries, create real-time dashboards, and move toward autonomous decision-making systems. This phased approach allows organizations to build capability gradually while demonstrating value and maintaining focus on realistic timelines.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.